Well, hello everybody. We're working on that USA 250 spoon, and we'll probably be done in this video series. So we started forming the bowl and everything like that. We'll thin this out, and been working making the numbers and the stars more crisp. So we'll form the back side and everything like that. So we'll have this done here on this video. Yeah, we'll get this done, and then we'll move on to our next project. So all right, let's get ready to sharpen our hook knife. I think it needs a little sharpening before we get started and stuff. Working on the USA 250 spoon, and we've been using our hook knife to get this bowl dug out. Believe it or not, this is a lot of fun. Yeah, it's a slow go. You could always power up a Dremel or something like that, or some other power tool. But I have found this to be very enjoyable. It's a very windy day. It's almost cold out here. It's about like 45 degrees Fahrenheit. But we are not much longer, and it's really going to get hot. It's just going to stay hot until like October. So I gave this hook knife a sharpening the other day, and like I said, if you ever get into this, using stuff like this, you know, be careful, because they are sharp. You know? You can see our little etching and stuff here. All right, everybody, we are getting right close to having this project done. We're going to use our detail knife to kind of give it a more traditional shape right here where the spoon bowl is, and everything. Our little carvings and everything look pretty good. And once we get this done and all sanded down and stuff, we're ready to give it a staining and a sealing. And yes, we'll be using a mixture of coffee grounds, food safe mineral oil, and soak it and get it all looking nice. And that'll be when, if there's a problem anywhere, like crack or anything like that, we'll be able to spot it. And I think we got everything all. I see one little spot right there that we might have to do something with, but that's okay. We'll see if we can't get this done in the next day or so. I actually find this to be the my most favorite part of any project, is sanding things down and getting all the rough spots. And so we're doing a little hook knife here, work on the old bowl here. Not much more to go, and then we'll start our sanding process. And still got plenty of gap in there, so we can keep on going down if we want to. This is really one seriously old piece of wood, for sure. I think this thing, oh, I don't know, man. We probably put it up in the other workshop over there probably 2-3 years back. All right, We have been working on our USA 250 spoon, and we are almost done. And I'm using our hook knife to get all the sides smooth and stuff, and we're just about at that point. Alright, we'll take our old sandpaper here. And we've taken every effort to give it that most ancient look. The wood was old to begin with. And we've used coffee grounds, tea bags, food safe mineral oil. Matter of fact, here is the exact thing we're using. 13 Chefs food grade mineral oil. So we'll get this bowl sanded out, and we'll get ready to put our preservative mix, our sealant and stuff. And all that is that food grade mineral oil, coffee, tea bags, and some crushed up brown leaves. Picked up this old stick, I won't say 3 or 4 years ago, but I'm not totally sure. But it was over there, stored in the other workshop for a long time, till we decided to take this up. Yeah, buddy, looking good. Okay, we turned it around here. Alright, I think that's looking pretty good. And we'll get a wet paper towel here and clean out all the little crevices here from all the sawdust, or maybe get our little air thing over here and blow that out, and move our preservative thing over here so we can actually get busy. Put it up in there and let it sit for a day or a few. Alright, we got this all cleaned up, and this is our preservative mixture. This will take a day or a few to really get sealed up, but we'll give you a look at what's going to happen here. It's going to take on a real shiny look, and then it'll dry. And then we'll do the other side and turn it backwards like this, and anyway, we'll let it sit in there like that for a bit, and then we'll turn it back around and just keep doing that. And as we had talked about earlier on live yesterday, and I've got some new gear that has come in, and we're going to go get that right now. And while that's soaking up, we'll show that. Well, we got our USA 250 spoon soaking on our preservative here. This is a piece of gear that our good friends over at Pro here sent. They've been watching our videos and stuff like that, and as you probably know, for hearing protection, I've been wearing like cotton balls and everything, from hearing plugs that you take to the gun range and everything else. But check this out. This is you wear the in your ears, and we're going to take it out of the box here in a bit. This is Pro here, the EM037 BT hearing protector. It will make and receive calls, enjoy seamlessly stream music from mobile phones, tables, and or other devices. Stereo sound, hands-free tuning dial. Operate your BT enabled device from the headset, eliminating cords. So anyway, we are looking forward to giving a detailed review, which will come next week sometime. But folks out at Pro here, thank you so much, and we will get this all out and get all the appropriate links so people can find this. And if you're working outside, working in your shop, around chainsaws, all kind of yard stuff like that, you want to take a look at that video when we get it coming out. Okay, we've had this end soaking for a bit, so let's turn it around. You can see the darkness and the richness that is being soaked up in there, and putting the coffee grounds packed up inside there gave the numbers and the stars a darker look than the surrounding wood. So we'll get this another little bit of a soak and check it out in a little bit later. Okay, it's been in there for one full day in that direction, and now we're going to turn it like this. You can see how deep the numbers and stars and all that I've gotten. So do it like that, and then we'll come back and check it out here in just a little bit and dry it off and let it do its thing. But let me show you. You can see like coffee grounds and little bits of tea bag and everything all up in there, mixed with our food grade mineral oil from 13 Chefs. And when this is all dried and everything like that, it's really gonna have a really dark, old, ancient look to it. So it looked like it was built in 1776. All right, there's our USA 250 spoon out here in the daylight, the sunlight, and getting drying up and soaking in all that stain and stuff and the sealant. And there it'll sit for a day or two and done. All right. It has a really like I said, it's ancient look. You can obviously the numbers and the stars are darker because that's where we packed in all that coffee and tea bags and everything else. And you can see the bowl, how dark that is. Really cool. All right, everybody, thank you for putting up for such a long project and stuff, but it's been a lot of fun.